the projections of solids problem by using AutoCAD software. First, we'll go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode, switch on the ortho mode. Then type the command limits. Go to lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line. Select some arbitrary point at the lower left corner of the AutoCAD screen. Click on the first button of the mouse and take some distance. Move the cursor to the right side and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the upward direction. Take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Then go to offset. Take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side. Then go to offset. Take the distance as 210. Select this line, horizontal line, offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extents and zoom 0.6x. And go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, fillet between these two. Fillet between these two. Then go to zoom window. Select this and go to detexture. Select some arbitrary point. Take height as 4. Then the rotation angle as 0. Take the problem number 149. Then take some distance and go to a square pyramid of a square pyramid 35 mm sides of base and 60 mm axis length, and 60 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its slant triangular face. Draw the projections of the pyramid. The axis appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. And zoom previous, then go to zoom window. Then you take the layer command, click on new, type XY and enter. Click on new, type axis, then click on new, type visible layer, click on new layer, type on invisible. Then go to layer 0, set the line weight as 0.5 and say OK. Set the layer XY as 0.13 and say OK. Set the axis layer line weight as 0.05 and set the visible layer of this as 0.5 and say OK. Set the invisible layer line type line weight as 0.3 and then go to set the invisible layer line type though as hidden. Just go to this and type hidden and say OK. Click on hidden and say OK. Type the axis continuous line type, then click on the continuous line type of axis and then go to load. Take the cursor here and type C and say OK. Click on center and say OK. So this is how you will be able to load all the line weights and line types. Once you do that, then go to polygon. Take the number of sides as 4. Take the edge option. Take the first point of edge and take this height as 35. Take 35 and then go to line. Take INT of this and INT of this and take INT of this and say INT of this. Then go to move. Select this entire thing and move it further. Then go to select, go to CH and go to layer. Click on visible layer and say escape and switch on the line weight display. Then go to horizontal line and go to offset. Take the distance as 60. Select this and select this and say go to line. Take INT of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line, INT of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line, INT of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to line, take INT of this and INT of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to break this line till here. Then you select this line, go to layer, make this line as axis and take the distance as 10. Take the distance as 10. Then escape. Then go to erase this line and select this line, select this line, and select this line. Go to layer, make this as visible layer. Then go to group, select this entire thing and group it as a single one. Then go to copy, select this, copy this to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this, take intersection point, base point, intersection point of this, then go to reference, take the rotation angle of this and int of this and rotate to this position. Then go to move, select this and move it inside, then go to line, take int of this and draw a vertical line, take int of this and draw one more vertical line, take int of this and draw one more vertical line, take int of this and draw a vertical line. Then go to line, intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to trim this line and this line, then go to trim, again select this cutting edge and this as the, then go to line, take int of this and int of this and take int of this, then go to line, intersection point of this and int of this and say int of this, then go to break, then go to zoom window, then come down to break, select this, take first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, and break first point int of this and say at the rate. Now we go for visibility and invisibility. So all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface near to the observer is visible. So this becomes visible. Then the edge or a corner, so see, two visible edges can never cross each other. So obviously this layer will become invisible and this distance is 10. Then go to this line, select this layer and make this as the axis line, take this distance as 10. Then go to zoom previous, then go to group, select objects, select this entire thing and group it as a single. Then go to line, int of this and you take int of this and take int of this and go to line, int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to copy, select this, copy this to the next position and then go to rotate, select this, take intersection point of this and rotation angle as 45 degree, then go to move, select this, switch off the ortho mode, then go to move, select this, switch off the ortho mode, specify base point, you select this and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this, to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, int of this and draw a horizontal line, go to line, take in front of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, int of this and draw horizontal line, similarly intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this and then say int of this and then int of this, then go to line, intersection point of this and int of this, then go to line, int of this and int of this, then go to line, intersection point of this and intersection point of this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to break, select this, first point int this and say at the rate, and break first point int of this and say at the rate, and break first point int of this and say at the rate, then you select this line, you select this line, you select this line and you select this line, go to layer, make this line as xy, then similarly you select all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible, you select this and the surface near to the observer is visible, go to layer, you make this as visible, then escape, Select this line. Two visible edges can never cross each other, therefore it has to become invisible, and take the distance as 10. Then go to escape and go to layer. You take this as the axis, take the line type as 10. Then escape. Now we go for DDIM, go to modify, then go to primary units as 0 and go to text. Take this as 4, align with the dimension line. Center becomes above. This distance is 3. Go to symbols and arrows. Take the arrow size as 4. Then lines offset from the origin as 3. And say OK and say close. The dim vertical. Select this line. Here rotate text. Type SQ35, square of 35 mm. Then go to dim vertical. Take intersection point of this and intersection point of this, and take this distance as 60. Dim angular, you select this line and you select this line, take the distance as 45 degrees. Then go to the text. So here you type X VP and type HP, and here it is Y. Put the caps lock off. Type A, you type B, you type C, you type D, and you type O, and you type O1 and bracket. Then go to O dash. Here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash in bracket, and here it is O1 dash in bracket. Then go to zoom window, select this, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, go to X, you take VP, you take HP, you take A dash, you move D dash, you type O1 dash, you type B dash, you type C dash, here it is O dash, and you copy this B dash, you copy C dash, you type copy O1 dash, you type A dash here, you copy this D dash here. Once you do that, then go to move, take A, you take B, you take C, you take D, you take O1 here, you take O. Then go to copy, select O, copy this O here, and that O will be copied here. Then go to copy A, this A will come here, this B will come here, and that B will be here, and that C will be here, that C will come here, and this D will be here, and that D will come here, and here D text, and this will be O1, and this will be O1, and here this will be O dash, this will be O1 dash, this one will be A dash, this will be B dash, this will be C dash, and this will be D dash. Then go to move, select this, then B dash, then C dash, then O1 dash, then D dash, then A dash. Then go to zone previous, then go to break, select this, then go to move, select this line and move it here. So this is how you will be able to write the solution for this particular problem using AutoCAD software. Then go to save, go to appropriate drive, go to AutoCAD, then go to solids drawings and type P149 and say save. And finally